Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling the hidden developer options on a Xiaomi phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, tap About Phone. In the About Phone section, scroll down a little bit to MIUI version. What you need to do is tap your MIUI version number 10 times in quick succession. Once you do that, you will see a pop-up saying you are now a developer. To access the newly unlocked developer options, go back to the main settings page and then scroll down and select Additional Settings. In Additional Settings, scroll down to the bottom and select Developer Options. Here are all the developer settings that you can play around with. If you ever want to disable access to developer options again, simply go to the top and disable the checkbox. You will then have to repeat the steps at the start of this video to enable them again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.